So students, this is what you're going to do after you complete your 100-second time test. You'll go over to this, and today is Thursday, 10/1. You're going to put down how many you got right in the 100 seconds. Let's say you got 7. The moment you enter that, it automatically creates a bar graph for that day showing that you had 7. Tomorrow, if you can get 10 right, it will continue to grow like that. And as the week progresses, we go into next week, you're going to see this bar graph go up. There may be days where you actually maybe miss a few and your results go down. But overall, you're going to start to see this bar graph getting better and better as you get better and better at these timed tests. So that's how you'll fill this in. It makes a graph for you, and this will take us all the way through Friday the 9th, which is my last day here. If Mr. Floyd wants to continue this, I will certainly help him set that up if that's something that you guys want to do and you feel it's helpful to you.